Well, here we are. It's that time of year again. iPhone season. At least that's the type of thing you would say if you're the type of person who upgrades each year. You know, with a new iPhone coming out each and every year, a lot of people, they're in that cycle of getting a new phone each and every year. Now, I'm not one of those people. In fact, I'm upgrading from an iPhone 12 Pro Max that I got, again, the day it came out. Kind of like how I got this phone, which if you're watching this a few days later, I apologize. Anyways, nonetheless, I want to take this from a different perspective of really, what is it that we do on phones nowadays? And how important is this one device to everything that we do throughout the entire course of our day, right? It's kind of amazing if you really take some time to think about it. So like I mentioned, I'm upgrading from the 12 Pro Max here. Now I'm actually using that phone to shoot right now, so I apologize. A little hard to open everything. And I've had this phone now for, let's see, well, it's gotta be 3 or 4 years right now. If we're on the 16 and the 12, I'd say that's 4 product cycles. Now, these phones aren't cheap. They're far from cheap, is what I would say. Very far from cheap. But if you're able to get 14 product cycles, one with natural titanium, as you can see. But if you're able to get 4 product cycles out of something that you use each and every day to do everything from talking to friends, talking to family, staying in touch with your loved ones, work, videoing, editing, sales, I mean, you name it. Think banking, emailing. Think about the type of things we do on our phone on a daily basis. It's crazy. It's crazy. You wouldn't be able to function without this. So spending the money to have a nice device being something that you use constantly throughout the day is something I think is absolutely worth doing. Now, it's not going to be for everybody, right? You know, if you're somebody who isn't using your phone for shooting videos, taking pictures, selling things on eBay, you know, maybe you don't need to spend, what are these things, $1,200, I think? $1,200 on a brand new iPhone, right? But if you are doing that type of thing, you are using it to take pictures, you know, send emails, do everything that you would do normally on a computer, I think spending the money on a nice phone is 100% worth it. 100%. And like I mentioned, I'm shooting this video on my iPhone 12 Pro Max right now. So that's something I do. And the fact that you can use your phone to shoot video, then edit that video, then proceed to use your same phone to post that video onto the internet, I mean, it's crazy, right? If you were to have a camera that were to do everything that this does, you're talking about having, you know, thousands of dollars of gear. But yeah, that's all I got to say here. Expect a lot more videos here now that I got a new phone. That's actually why I haven't been making videos. It's just because my current phone ran out of storage, but this should be more than enough to get me off the ground. I appreciate everybody watching. I hope if you're somebody who has an older iPhone and you've been thinking about upgrading, this is going to motivate you to, you know, spend the money, upgrade, but make sure you're doing so from a good place and you're doing so because it's truly going to benefit how you use your device each and every day. But I appreciate you guys watching. If you made it this far, leave a like, take the time to subscribe, see what we're going to post throughout the course of the next, who knows, maybe 4 product cycles we get out of this one. And I appreciate it. Take care.